Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hey guys, what's up? Have you guys learned about the latest dancing step now of that Pasuma just introduced? Uh, uh, you need to see the dancing step. Just watch this video and see the dancing step. That is what is involved now. Okay, so anytime you want to dance to, if you're Pasuma fans, if you're Pasuma lovers, so anytime it's time for you to just dance along, okay, you want to bounce along, just take this dancing step. Come on. Okay. Uh, okay. Okay.